I think we have enough clearance for the top radiator. Then we have 3 fractal fans at the front. We're gonna be putting my Noctua fan right here for exhaust, and everything comes here. Pretty clean actually. We have extra room, but hopefully I wanna put the radiator on top again, just like before. So let's see. Okay, that's properly aligned. Let me try to measure this before I screw everything up, and I'll be right back. All right, so it looks like the radiator and the fans are going to fit in properly here. There's enough clearance for the radiator and the fans here on the top of the motherboard, so we are gonna proceed. Yep, there's the one. So we're just gonna do it like this for now.